everyone! Welcome to Computrends 3D Experience 2022 launch. Accelerate innovation.
Today's event is extra special and doubly meaningful for us, for we are celebrating our 30 years in the IT industry and at the same time our 15 years of great partnership with Dassault Systems SolidWorks Corporation.
Thank you everyone for attending our virtual lunch event today. We hope that you have learned something new from us.
There you have it. It's the official end to today's
Wait, Trina. This is not yet the end. We still have on-demand tech videos ready for you to listen and learn. So just click on the conference tab and go to the on-demand videos. Search for the topics you like and watch them anytime until November 11.